Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change the batteries on this Alexa voice remote. This is for the Fire TV Stick 4K, and I'll go through this step by step. But before we begin, I wanted to let you know a couple things. First, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. And second, I do have a setup video on the Fire TV Stick 4K that I'll link at the end of this video. And if you're interested and have time, please check that video out. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is to turn the remote over, and I'm going to place one thumb here and then the other thumb down here where this arrow is, and just gently slide the battery cover downwards until we can take it off, and then I'm just going to set it off to the side for now. And these batteries can be hard to take out, so I'm going to be using this plastic tool here. And I got this plastic tool when I ordered a battery replacement kit for one of our cell phones. Okay, so I'm going to use this plastic tool and I'm going to put it at the front of this battery and then gently press backwards and lift the battery out of the battery compartment like so. And then I'll set this battery off to the side. And then I'm going to use the plastic tool to gently lift this battery out of the battery compartment like so. And then I'll set this battery off to the side as well. And make sure to store your old batteries in a safe place until you can take them to the proper recycling facility. These two batteries are still okay, so I'm going to reuse them. And right here inside of the battery compartment, it tells you what type of batteries and the direction of the batteries for this remote. So verify that information on your remote, and if it doesn't say anything, refer to your owner's manual. And this particular remote takes 2 AAA batteries. Okay, so I'm going to take the first battery and I'm going to place the minus sign side of the battery into the battery compartment first, and then press down gently on the plus sign side of the battery until it goes into the battery compartment. And then I'm going to take the other battery and I'm going to put the minus sign side in first, and then gently press this way to allow the front of the battery to go down into the battery compartment like so. And then just gently press down on the batteries to make sure that they're secured into place. And then we're going to take the battery cover and place it onto the back of the remote and gently press up until it snaps back into place. All right, guys, that's just about it for this video, and I hope that it was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And like I said earlier, I do have another video on the Fire TV Stick 4K where I go through the setup process that I'll link at the end of this video. And if you're interested and have time, please check that video out. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have the time, check out these other great videos.